Hey, good day everyone. Check out this rotary hammer here I have from WorkBless. It's good for drilling, hammer drilling, turning, stop chiseling, and chiseling. And you just adjust that with this 4-function adjustment here. It's got an anti-vibration system and a speed adjustment dial as well. It comes with a nice hard carrying case too. A couple of snaps on the front. All right, here's everything that came in the case here. As you can see, you got this nice unit itself. This thing adjusts and you can just crank it down right there to tighten it down, but you can run it from the side like that. You can run it like this and also run it like that. All right, your mode selector is right here. Then your speed adjustment is right here too. Comes with some cylinder lubricant. Here's all the bits that come with it too. Nice chisel bit there. This piece here too, and then also some masonry drill bits. Comes with this little extra gasket here as well. And right here is your mode selector. All right, as far as the movement of this handle, super easy. You can see right now it's really tight. It's because I turned it to the right. If you want to loosen it, you just take and turn it like this. Now you can move it any direction you want, but wherever you pick, just take it, turn it like that. Now it won't go anywhere. Okay, the first function we're going to test out is the drilling, and that's right there. All right, to get your bits in and out of there, you just push down like that, and that thing will just pop out. We're going to go ahead and use this one first. Now it won't come out. Now we're ready to go. Okay, we're going to go ahead and switch modes here. So I'm going to change out bits here for a chisel bit.
Dust flying high and I'm feeling it. Chilling and chipping, breaking up stone. Turn this bad boy on and leave that slab alone. Killing it, cause I'm drilling it. Hammer mode got me thrilling it. Busting through concrete, brick and rock. This rotary hammer just don't stop. Got a carbide bit locked in tight. Gonna work all day and half the night. Neighbors hear that rat-a-tat-tat sound. Know another DIY king's in town.